there, kings and queens, aka Daisy Gang. Welcome back to another edition of Daisy's Stews. I am super excited about today's video. You guys know how I really enjoy taking a holistic and natural approach to my hair care, so it was really exciting when I was granted an opportunity to review these products from Heritage Naturals. Now, Heritage Naturals specialize in producing products that are all natural. So if you're that person who's also, into taking a holistic and natural approach in hair care, this is your brand. So I am preparing my hair for the wash day after removing my box braids, which I showed you guys in my previous video, and I'm sectioning it into 5 sections. You guys know my typical 5 sections: 2 in front, 1 in the middle, and 2 at the back. And I do this to cater for the crown breakage that I got. So starting off with the black soap shampoo, which should not only cleanse your hair but should also minimize breakage, should stimulate hair growth and eliminate the itchy scalp. This shampoo really shocked me, you guys. Like, chai, how is it possible that a shampoo has enough slip for you to actually detangle? And that's what I was able to actually do here. I was unable to see any lather, of course, at the first wash, firstly because my hair is like really dirty, so it only makes sense why, and so I had to use a lot more shampoo. But after a while it lathered. Like on my second wash, it lathered so well. Like, guys, just wait and check it out. Yeah, I definitely knew that the brain behind the shampoo had me in mind, because the shampoo actually comes with a nozzle, making it super easy for you to actually apply the shampoo on your scalp. And so now I am moving on to deep conditioning, using one of my staples and mixing it in with the Chebe and peppermint oil, which I'll get into details about a little later in the video. So I like adding oils to my deep conditioners just to give it a little bit of slip, and especially to attain the benefits that also come with the oils that the deep conditioner might not necessarily have. So as you guys might have seen, it's a restorative, guys, English, I hope I say that right, conditioner, right? And it's meant to be moisturizing, so I just want to balance that out with something that can give me a little bit of strength. But like I said, I'm going to go into more details about the Chebe and peppermint oil benefits later on in the video. So I'm just making sure as well that I get those edges, because I want to make sure that my hair is properly saturated and we are all growing, right? We don't want to lose anyone. We don't want to lose any hair. We don't want to lose anyone in the process. If that makes sense, right? We want to make sure that every family member has a dose of goodness. So now, since I have low porosity hair, I'm just going to throw on my plastic bag. You guys know me for the plastic bag. So for my liquid today, I'm going to be using the Chebe Tonic Hairspray, which is meant to strengthen your hair. And of course, if a product strengthens your hair, then it also combats hair loss, right? It will also aid in hair growth and will add shine to your hair. So I'm just going to spray that generously into my hair and work it in. Then we're going to move on to our O for oil, and we're going to be using the Chebe and peppermint infused oil. Now I'm going to be telling you guys its benefits like I promised before. It fights inflammation, it nourishes hair deeply, stimulates hair growth, and it reduces breakage. So I'm just going to work it in, and I'm going to just take advantage of the time to try and detangle my hair a little bit more than what I did during my deep conditioning session, and move on to the Chebe strengthening butter. So the Chebe strengthening butter is supposed to improve elasticity, increase moisture, and to add volume. So of course you guys know how it's like when your hair is stronger, it's gonna break less, and is of course going to add volume to the hair, right? So yes, so it's supposed to also increase your moisture. So I'm just going to also add that and complete the lock method. So my kings and queens, you guys know how I always tell you guys that everyone's hair is different. We may have similar characteristics like our porosity, like our texture, our length. We might have similar characteristics, but it still stands that everyone still is different, and sometimes some things that work for others might not work for you or for me, right? I always give you guys an example with coconut oil. Whenever I use coconut oil, I always tell you guys some other alternatives you can use, because I know that not everybody's hair likes coconut oil the way my hair does, right? And I feel like that was the same experience I got with this product. What happened was, just soon after I'd moisturized it and all, I felt that my hair was really dry, and my scalp also reacted the same. It caught some sores on it, and I'm really not sure what that was. It was probably the essential oils. We were also advised, when we got this product, I was also advised that you can actually use it along with other products. You can dilute it if it's too strong for you. So I suggest that you do that if you may feel like it might irritate your skin the way it did mine. You can maybe mix the oils with like olive oil or your favorite oils, and then use it in that way. I also suggest that if you're like a low porosity and you want to use butter, that you use a lot of leave-in conditioner. You need to make sure that you felt that your hair is well moisturized first before putting in the butter, because that was my experience personally, where my hair is used to a certain way or certain products when moisturizing it. I usually like to use something that has a lot of humectants in it as a leave-in, or I just use, yes, I do use the water, but I'll usually follow up with a cream and not a butter. So it makes sense why my hair might have dried. So you guys need to take note of that. So if you have high porosity hair, girl, you can just get into it, what I mean. So that's what happened, guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, leave a like down below, and don't forget to comment down below. See you guys in the next one.